Hey guys, so this is the desk lamp that I got, and it's literally the one that's powering my desk right now. And you can see it's really bright. You can tap the power button right here, and it has 3 settings. This is the lowest setting, and medium, and then that is the brightest setting, is really bright, and then tap to go off. So sorry it's so bright, but there's also a charging USB cable right here, which I'm using right now, and it plugs in to the wall. So I just wanted to show you that. Thank you for watching. I think it's a really great desk lamp. There we go. And thank you for watching.